Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorials of the Typescripts. Today we are going to learn about the read-only properties in Typescript. In Typescript, the read-only modifier is used to indicate that the property of a class or an object can only be assigned a value once, either during the initialization or within the constructor. After its initial value is set, a read only property cannot be changed. Okay, let's take an example. So here this is the class book. Let me comment all this at this. Okay, and here let's understand the code. So here we have the book. Okay, read only, that is title, read only, that is the author. Okay, so title and the author both are read only. This dot title, this dot author. Okay, display info is title should be this and this dot author. Okay, and then we have to create an instance of a class new with the help of the new keyword. This is the title, this is the author. Book dot display info output will give you. Trying to modify a read only property will result in error. Suppose book dot title you are changing to the new title cannot assign to the title because it is a read only property. Okay, so the read only property cannot be modified. Okay, once it declared, once initialized, it cannot be modified. Okay, so that is the reason. So let me run this one here. So ts node, so you can see that the and the au- title and the author is there. So if I go and just display this one book, trying to access this book dot title, what happened? Okay, currently it's showing the error. If I just hover it, cannot assign to title because it's read only property, right? So here it also showing the error over here. Okay, so the next part we go with, so this is that were read only properties. So here we have this description. The book class has two read only properties, that is title and the author. The constructor initializes these properties within the provided values. The display info method logs the book's title and the author. Okay, and attempting to modifying the read-only properties after it has been assigned a value will result in a compilation error as indicated in the commented out the line book.title should be new book title, so it can be modified. The read-only modifier is particularly useful when you want to ensure that certain properties remain constant throughout the object's lifetime, preventing the accidental modifications that could lead to the unexpected behavior. So please note that while the values of the read-only properties cannot be changed, it doesn't make the properties themselves immune to be being reassigned. For example, if an object with a read-only property is assigned to a new object, the read-only property won't prevent the reassignment. It only guarantees that the value assigned to the property won't change once assigned. So once you assign, it cannot be changed. That is the read-only property. Okay. So any doubt, any query in that, just do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Just in a summarized way, that just read-only properties that cannot be changed. Once assigned, cannot be changed. That is the read-only properties. Thank you so much. Have a great day.